Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade lemonade with soda. This refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion and surprisingly simple to prepare. You'll need just a few basic ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and your preferred soda. We'll combine these to create a perfectly balanced sweet and tart beverage that everyone will love. Let's get started on this delightful recipe right away. First, let's prepare our key components. Roll your lemons on a hard surface before cutting them in half. This helps extract more juice. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, which usually comes from 4 to 6 medium-sized lemons. Next, we'll make a simple syrup by dissolving 1 cup of granulated sugar in 1 cup of hot water. Stir it well until the sugar completely disappears, creating a clear, sweet base for our lemonade. Now it's time to bring our flavors together. Carefully pour the 1 cup of fresh lemon juice and the 1 cup of simple syrup into your large pitcher. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is perfectly combined. This is your lemonade concentrate. You can taste it at this point and add a little more lemon juice for tartness or a bit more simple syrup for sweetness, according to your preference. Then, add about 2 cups of cold water. Finally, for that special fizz, gently pour in about 3 to 4 cups of your favorite soda. Be sure to stir very slowly to keep as much of that wonderful carbonation as possible. Add a generous amount of ice cubes to your pitcher to ensure your lemonade is perfectly chilled. For a beautiful presentation, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your sparkling homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.